Best of luck.
Hi friends, welcome to the this week, and we are.
Hi.
How is your life last
Hello,
week?
Nadine ji.
Hi,
How are you?
good, good. How is your life after identifying the baselines?
Mm, it's good. I thought a lot about it, and I thought, yes, it will. Uh, we can do if we can match these baselines with our life, we can achieve a lot more things.
Okay. What about you, Hemaji? How you felt?
Yes, it's got clarity for me ki what is a baseline or how important in my life and how relate this words like imagination. Before I don't know ki imagination is my baseline because I'm always in a imagination and motivation is my baseline. I know clarity about myself more
Very good,
about
very good.
baseline. That is my experience.
Okay. So today we are going to do a work where it is called baseline expression.
Okay.
Okay, in the baseline expression, what it is similar to the wheel of life, but it is not exactly wheel of life. Okay, the tool which I'm going to share you, it is going to be about love life, finance, career, fun and recreation, spirituality, physical environment, health and fitness, freedom and family.
Okay.
Okay, these are the areas where you have to use your baselines and see how effectively it is. Okay, you understood, Hemaji?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
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 Okay, so you have six baselines. Okay, for example, if you take it on love life,
Hmm.
what is your baselines, Ashaji?
Mine is integrity, independence, commitment, and
Integrity.
making a difference,
One second.
encouraging
Integrity, and second what?
independence,
Uh,
commitment, making a
okay,
difference, encouraging, and recognition.
making a difference, encouragement,
And recognition.
recognition. Okay. Now, you just keep these things in each of that. That's where it's called baseline expression. For example, career. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you keep integrity in the area of career,
Yes, it is meeting.
it is meeting. Okay. Independence. Is it meeting?
Not fully.
Okay. And then what? Make
Commitment.
commitment. Yeah.
Commitment. Yes.
Making a difference.
Yes.
Encouragement.
Not fully.
Okay. Recognition.
Not much.
Okay. So in the wheel of life, how much you have given to yourself? The marks.
In the career,
Yeah.
I
The
have
career.
given only 4.
Okay. So because few of the baselines are not meeting, so
Hmm.
you are not actually progressing in that area. Similarly, when you take uh, friends and family,
Hmm.
all these are meeting.
Yes.
Okay, so are you happy in all
Yeah.
the areas? Friends and
Yes.
family, you are happy, right? So what about
Yes.
finance? What about finance?
Finance, I have given 7 in Wheel of Life because I feel if I get more opportunities, I can even gain more. I can earn more.
No, you can earn more, but what I'm saying is this all these six baselines are connecting, or which are the thing is not connecting.
In finance,
Integrity.
integrity is there. Independence, not much. Like because career it is low, so I kept this one low in
So yeah.
finance as well.
Hmm.
Okay.
Then
So in the
commitment.
same way, encouragement and recognition also I kept it low because independence is not there. I'm not getting enough independent to do the things. So that much of an encouragement is not coming. That's why the things are not working.
Okay. Recognition.
Recognition also not fully met, like
Yeah.
same way.
So how much you are given in Wheel of Life?
I gave
Finance.
7, taking into consideration the complete thing,
No,
family and
yeah,
this.
you are taken it your family income. Okay, we are talking about your personal, right?
Mm,
So if it is not meeting, you are not able to earn for yourself.
yeah,
Okay, so we will actually go deep into that, how to change your uh, codes or how to make it more successful. What about you, Hemaji?
yeah, definitely. I would love to do that.
Sure, sure. What about you, Hemaji?
What?
Uh, like as I said, I explained you baseline expression, right?
Yeah.
So in the baseline expression, one is the love life, then the finance, then fun and recreation, then spirituality, physical environment, health and fitness, family and friends. These
My
are
all baseline is a met my all areas
okay.
almost.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you say your wheel of life,
Hmm.
so which is the highest?
Wheel of life, wealth is the highest.
Okay, which is the lowest?
Not lowest, nothing, but yes, health is a little bit.
Okay. So when you talk about health,
Yeah.
uh, do you feel you are getting the growth in the area of health
Yes, I feel more. I want to more growth in a health
area?
area
Okay.
because nowadays also pandemic and definitely I do more conscious, more vigilant health because my thought, my thinking is if you're a healthy body and healthy mind, you will achieve whatever you want.
Okay, my simple question is all the baselines are meeting your this
Yeah,
thing? For
all
example,
the areas
growth,
meeting up
growth.
my baseline
Yeah,
because growth, but only health is a little bit low, and
yeah.
I will work on with my
So you
baseline.
have to practice
Yes,
whichever area you are low, you have to put these baselines, try to meet them, how you can meet them. This is what we have to practice. This is where we express our baselines. Okay, right? So we'll meet again next week to understand more better
yeah,
how we can improve in the baselines. Okay, see you
yeah.
next week. Bye.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.